Okay, what you want to do after you get the window screwed into place is check the reveal on the sash, from the sash to the frame, and then from one sash to the other sash. You want to make sure that this reveal is pretty even all the way up and down. And then you want to make sure that you're pretty even right in here too. And even over here, you want to make sure you're looking at this grab handle. You can see that it's pretty equal all the way down with the frame. Okay, because we don't really have enough room in these openings between the window frame and the framing of the house to use spray foam insulation on this application, we're going to go ahead and we're going to stuff some pink fiberglass insulation in those openings so that way none of the air gets through.